In this video, you'll learn how to use QuickBooks for your eBay business. By following these steps, you will successfully connect your eBay account to QuickBooks, sync your transactions, and generate financial reports to help manage your business effectively. Begin by logging into your QuickBooks account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the integrations or apps section, which is typically found in the left navigation menu. Click on this section to access a variety of integrations available for your account. After entering the integrations area, use the search bar to locate the eBay integration. Type in eBay and select it from the list of results. This action will initiate the connection process between your eBay account and QuickBooks, allowing for seamless data transfer. Next, you will be prompted to authorize QuickBooks to access your eBay account. Follow the on-screen instructions to provide the necessary permissions. This step is crucial as it enables QuickBooks to import your sales data automatically. Once authorized, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the connection was successful. Once your accounts are connected, QuickBooks will begin to import your orders, payments, and fees from eBay. This process may take a few moments depending on the volume of transactions. After the import is complete, take the time to review the sync data for accuracy. You can find this information in the transactions section of QuickBooks. It's important to categorize your transactions properly. You should sort them into different categories such as product sales, shipping income, and marketplace fees. Keeping your transactions organized will simplify your financial reporting and improve your overall bookkeeping process. Next, utilize QuickBooks reporting tools to create financial reports. These tools will help you track profit, expenses, and tax information related to your eBay sales. Regularly reviewing these reports is essential for monitoring your business performance and preparing for tax season. This step solidifies your QuickBooks setup for managing your eBay business effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.